Can Chinese-made office supplies meet European quality standard?
Hi, Hendrik from RLKGroup here. The answer is very simple. One word, absolutely. Because it is not that we manufacture in China. It is everybody manufactures in China. And it is not we manufacture office supplies in China. It is basically everybody manufactures everything in China. So there will be differences in the quality. There's no question. Because there's simply differences in the market. So there will be local Chinese products where the quality will not reach European standards. However, there are a lot of European brands in China doing their manufacturing. All big players are manufacturing in China. And all those big players make European products. Now, the difference is actually simple. If you think about, you put a big brand name on your product, then it doesn't really matter where it comes from or where it is made, because it is made by this particular company. Take a mobile phone. This is a very, very much more complicated product than a stapler or a ball pen. But those products come from China. They are made in China. They may be designed somewhere else. They may be invented somewhere else, but they're made in China. So if Chinese factories' capabilities are to make products like a smartphone or like an electric car, you can trust that they can make a ball pen, or that they can make an office chair, or that they can make a permanent marker. So the answer is very simple. The quality is what you want. You have to develop your product if necessary. You have to tell the manufacturer what to change. You have to maybe change the material. You have to do a different push button for a ball pen, for instance. You have to think about what kind of ink do you need, what kind of nib do you need for your permanent marker. If everything is not set, it is not that you go to China and only are able to buy whatever they offer. You can pretty much say, okay, but can we change this? Can we change this? Can we change this? The flexibility is there. There's no question. The flexibility is especially then there if you work with a company like ours, the RLKGroup, because we have the contacts. We did that before. If we buy a ball pen, we also talk to the ink supplier. There's ink suppliers in Britain, there's ink suppliers in Germany, there's ink suppliers in China. It depends. Do you need certain certifications for your ink? Maybe that rules out some, maybe not. This is something where we have to work together and figure out what kind of product are you looking for and what kind of quality you're looking for. The only thing that you will not find is you will not find a product that costs nearly nothing and has absolutely superior quality. So there is a give and take. The lower the price, maybe the impact will be in the quality. Anyway, talk to us if you have questions.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLKGroup do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.